So, we're coming into the holiday season. And with that awkward introduction, I thought I'd make a Thanksgiving video. Here are some interesting facts about Thanksgiving. It was not until 1941 that Congress declared Thanksgiving as a national holiday. Turkeys. Did you know that turkeys have heart attacks? Because turkeys have heart attacks. I don't know why, I don't know how often, but it happens. A turkey under 16 weeks is called a fryer. A 5 to 7 month old turkey is called a roaster. Their fate is kind of sealed. Sucks to be a turkey. Turkeys can drown if they look up when it's raining. That's so sad, but that's so funny. Oh, what if there's like a bunch of them in a field and they all look up? It's like a cult. They'll all die together. It sucks to be a turkey. We eat a lot of them, we as in Americans. 91% of Americans eat turkeys on Thanksgiving Day. How about that? Here's a fun fact. I was a vegetarian for about 3 years, but annually I would break my vegetarianism. On Thanksgiving, turkey is just too good. Thomas Jefferson once said that Thanksgiving was the most ridiculous idea he'd ever heard. What an idiot. You know, Thomas Jefferson was kind of a hater, but Benjamin Franklin, he wanted the national bird to be a turkey. Yeah, turkeys were one of the first animals in America to be domesticated, but you didn't know that. So 50% of Americans put stuffing in their turkey. But that statistic makes me think, what do the other 41% put in their turkeys? What do you put in your turkey? What does your grandmother put in her turkey? It's inappropriate. Personally, my family goes the stuffing route, but I'm not gonna judge. Maybe the 41% of Americans who don't stuff their turkeys make turduckens. Have you ever heard of a turducken? I hadn't, until my roommate explained it to me.
A boneless chicken. Stuffed inside a boneless duck, stuffed inside a boneless turkey, and then you cut into it, and you get all 3 kinds of meat, and it's fucking awesome. I'm assuming. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm trying to make it for Thanksgiving, because it would be awesome. Right?
Now I know. More than 40 million green bean casseroles are served on Thanksgiving. I don't even like green bean casserole. Ugh. An average American consumes 4,500 calories on Thanksgiving Day. So many food babies. That's a lot of food. I am so excited for Thanksgiving. So with this newfound knowledge of Thanksgiving trivia, go have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Seriously, I hope you all have wonderful, calorie-full, and delicious Thanksgivings. I'm going to make a Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows movie review, but I want to see it once more just to make sure how I feel about it. So you can expect that video in a few days. Have a great Thanksgiving, guys. Bye.